explorer. Thunderbolt Group has achieved a breakthrough in reverse engineering Sacrum Chu Imperium technology, and the Wildfire Corvette will soon be commissioned. Model A, Wildfire Tactical Torpedo Corvette, equipped with specialized interference ammos. Disrupts the hit target's target lock-on sequence. Increases evasion when the ship's HP decreases. Model B, Wildfire Dogfight Corvette, equipped with a cluster bomb launcher. When HP falls below the safety threshold, it triggers overload protocol to greatly increase attack frequency and firepower density. Thunderbolt Group believes that in-depth development of Sacrum Chu Imperium's technological legacy will usher in a new technological revolution.